Wala ako t-shirt.
Ako naglagay. Nagtata sila ng babo. Wuching, how do you feel right now?
Bored.
Huh?
Bored.
What?
Normal.
Bored?
Yes.
O, takbo ka na. What about ate? Ate, how do you
She
feel
doesn't
right
really
now?
care.
She cares? Ganyan lang talaga mukha niya.
Ayun yan.
Pero ang lipstick mo pula-pula, no? Si, kanino ka gumaya? Kanino ka gumaya na lipstick? So we're lining up
Ayoko.
na.
No.
And we will just be waiting kung anong oras mag-start. 6:30 na, guys. What?
Here. You went from there to
We're near na. Yan yung red shoe.
Didn't see anything. Didn't see anything.
Nana?
Pink.
Wait.
Pink, white, at saka blue. Pink.
And ang girl. T-shirt!
Yeah.
Ate, where's your shirt? Tara, siyan na tayo. Para magbibihis. Come on. So guys, nakuha na namin yung shirt. Kay Ate Pink. Ayan, kay Bocheng white. Sa akin ng blue. Bibihis muna kami. Kasi after this, mag-warm up na. Mag-zumba kami. Tapos tatakbo na.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Sa CR kami sa 3rd floor. Ay, may elevator.
Init lang, pwede naman yun.
Mami, kaya ko. Nagisama ko ba eh? Ha? Thank you.
Iyak ka lang?
Can I eat it?
Mamaya na lang.
Join me on stage. Okay, runners, okay, runners. Let's go on stage. We have surprises just for you.
Rain!
Wow, we have so many city runners. So lahat po ng ating city runners, please join us on stage. We will be giving you surprises. And we have a special activity just for our bubble fun on you too.
Buching!
Then stand.
Your bubble toy guns, can you show us? Nasa inyo
Lagay mo
po
na.
ang bubble toys ng ating kitties. Can you read them to the and show them your bubble toys?
Rain! Rain!
Thank you so much to our kitty runners.
Dito kayo magpalobo, wag sa taas ha. Halika na. Pataas. May kanon ng bago. Ayun o, hawak ng kuya. Kita mo? Ano kulay?
Kulay black.
Black.
Smell orange.
Andito ako, andito ako. Kuching!
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go!
Oh my
Run,
God.
run, 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 run!
Run, run, run.
Bubble run, 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 run!
Ano ba ba yan?
Bobby, ito na! Ang cute! Careful!
Look at me.
Gagi, yung ano, yung sipon mo, colored na din. One, two steps, hinga ha. Oh, sorry. Wala kasi hindi kami tumapak. Meron ulit, color pink. Stop, stop. Stop, stop. Thank you. Ano yan? Yan ulit. Yan ulit. Ginaway lang yan. Sinitching. Uy, hindi ka na. Hindi ka na. Enjoy yarn. Basa na yung towel, girl.
Sana yung shoes ko.
Again.
Parang meron tayong
Para tayo may stockings.
tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo yung paa natin. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop. Ano yan? Let's go. Asan na yung bubbles? Yan na. Parang cotton candy. Parang cotton candy. Careful! Ate, baka makasakit ah. Sabi na eh. Uy, halika na. Halika na. Bala ka dyan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. May dala siyang clouds. You brought a cloud with you. Oh, let's go run. Sobrang enjoy niya eh. Last two. Ate, how are you?
Sakal pa rin tagiliran.
Hinga ka, hinga. Huwag mo pilitin tumakbo. What about you, Butching? How are you? Ha? Bagay na bagay sa'yo yung puti. Ang kulit mo eh. Kitang-kita yung kakulitan mo sa damit mo eh.
Patingin nga ako.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Come on, let's run. It's okay.
Distance 2 kilometers. Time 18 minutes 19 seconds.
Si Butching,
Previous kilometer in
Mukha
9
siyang-
minutes 15 seconds.
basang tao na pinaghalong watercolor. Si ate di masyadong halata eh.
Ikaw,
Okay.
pero,
Ate, ano? Kamusta ka?
di mo yung fruit niya, naka-orange.
Legs mo para may stockings. Ayan, no? Oh, oh. Come on, come on. Tay, stop. Stop.
Last one na. Nawala yung
Yay! Last one! Last one! Let's go, let's go.
bubbles.
Dali, last one na. So we can get the medal na. Dali.
Ano tayo?
Oo. Rain, halika na. Come on. Last one na lang, last one. Buga. Halika na, Butching. Dali, last one na lang tayo. Para makalaro pa ng marami dyan. Bahala ka dyan, iwan ka na namin. Bye-bye.
I got a little friend.
Last one. Last one lap. Konti na lang, guys.
Nakagupang na tayo.
Hindi, may tie-tie talaga yan. Let's go. O, ahon ulit ha.
Kaya
Lakad
mo
lang ha.
yung damit ko. Tie-dye. That's called tie-dye.
Last one lap.
Yes!
Ito na kami.
Pwede nakakamot na lang.
Opo. Pero hinay-hinay doon rin. Doon ha.
Hindi ako.
Last na, last na, last na. Dali rin. Last na. Dali, dali. Patatakan na kay ate. Ate, natanggal na naman yung kanina. Sana po kami diretso na. Thank you. Let's go. Let's pick the medal. Oh, let's flex the medal muna. Yay!
Wait, let's find it.
Let's flex it. Dito. Wala pa. Bite daw, bite daw, bite daw. Okay, let's go.
Tama na ako camera.
Asan yung kapatid mo? Hey! Kuha muna tayong water. Kuha muna tayong water. Uchihin ka niya, picture tayo dito. Dali ka. Tayo tayo sa atin. Hi. Iya, ate. Sana, sa door. Ay, dyan? Tao ka pa ba? Ate, punasan mo yung mata.